welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. Welcome back again. If you're new to my channel, welcome back to my channel. If you've subscribed to my channel, thanks for joining in again. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to talk about my honey black soap. Honey black soap. This is what I use on a daily basis on my skin. It's honey black soap. Yeah, that's it. That's what I use on a daily basis on my skin. The one I use to bath every day. So this is the one I use. This is the black soap that I use. So guys, I'm going to share with you all the ingredients that I put in this black soap that helps my skin. You know, this honey black soap. And you know guys, we are in a Christmas period. You can DIY this and give it to your friend, your family. They're going to thank you so much. You're going to love it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Share my video with family and friends. Leave a comment. Let me see how you feel about this DIY.
Let's get started with this DIY. The number one ingredient is black soap. That's the number one ingredient that we're going to use. That is 1 kg black soap. Then I'll share the fresh ingredient with you, which I'm going to use papaya, I'm going to use carrot, and I'm going to use lemon. Then I'll go to my oil. The number one oil I will use is sweet almond oil and avocado oil, vegetable glycerine, my honey. Then the dry ones, I'm going to show you, I'm going to use powdered milk. That's powdered milk. I'm going to use sulphur. That's sulphur. I'm going to use sulphur for antibacterial. It's really good. Sulphur is really good for your skin, to protect your skin. Yeah, I'm going to use sulphur. Then after then, I'm going to use sandalwood powder. That's the red sandalwood powder and the brown sandalwood powder. And I'm going to use cinnamon and turmeric, then rice powder. Those are the ingredients I'm going to put in my black soap. So the first thing I did is papaya and my carrots. I chopped them. I used one big carrot and half of papaya, and I puree them together. I blend them together, and I'm going to cook it for just 5 minutes. I'm just going to cook it for 5 minutes because we are doing the cold mix black soap. So after cooking for 5 minutes, I leave it down to cool down a bit. Then I turn my black soap into my bowl. You can see what I'm doing to my black soap now. I scatter them. So after that, I'm going to put my papaya and carrot puree into my black soap. That's it. I just put it like that. Papaya is and carrots, they are really good. They are really good. They are good for your skin. They help your skin to glow. They help your skin. They lighten up your skin naturally. This soap can lighten up your skin naturally, give you that glow that you need. So I'm going to mix both together. You can see the way I'm mixing them together. Yeah, I'm going to use it. You see, it's getting ladder, but everything is going to mix up together with time. So I mix everything together like that. And the next thing I will do now, I clean my hand, and I'm going to add all my dry ingredients. I put my rice powder. I put rice powder. I put 2 tablespoons of rice powder, and I put my milk, and that is 3 tablespoons of milk. Yeah, powdered milk. Powdered milk is really good for your skin as well. The next thing I'm going to add is going to be my sulphur. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sulphur. 1 teaspoon of sulphur. Sulphur is really good. It's an antibacterial. Because I've got a sensitive skin, I always put sulphur in my mixture. So the next thing I will put after that is going to be the red sandalwood powder. 1 tablespoon of red sandalwood powder. And I will use the brown sandalwood powder, 1 tablespoon. Then I will add my cinnamon, 1 tablespoon as well, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and I will mix everything together. I mix everything all together. I'm going to leave all the measurements in the description box. So I mix everything together like that. You can see the way I'm mixing it, and it's getting hard. So I mix everything together. After a while, you can see the difference now with the black soap. It has become hard together. It's not like watery when I put the papaya. You can see now. So after this, now I'm going to add all my oils. I started with my honey. I put 2 tablespoons of honey. I put 2 tablespoons of honey. can see, yeah, that's it. I put 2 tablespoons of honey into my black soap. Then I'm going to start with the oils. So I put avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. I use 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and I use 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Those are the good oil for your skin. They moisturize your skin, they exfoliate your skin. Then I put my vegetable glycerine. I put 2 tablespoon of vegetable glycerine. So that is it, and I'm going to mix everything together again. So I'll start mixing. I use my hand here to mix. So I mix everything together. You can see the way it comes out now. You can see I mix everything together. You make sure you mix it very well. So I mix it that way. This is a nice soap. It's really rich. It helps your skin. It exfoliates your skin. The rice powder is really good. It's a good exfoliator. It lightens up your skin as well. The lighting I'm talking about here is not bleaching. It's lightening up your skin and it give you the glow. So the last but not the least that I'm going to put here is my lemon juice. So I cut out the lemon juice and I put lemon juice. Lemon good juice is really good for your skin as well. So I put lemon juice. I put 1 lemon juice inside this mixture, and that's it. That's how you have it, guys. You mix it together and that's it. And after you finish DIY this soap, the following day or the 3rd day, you will see that the black soap will get more darker. As you can see, when I showed you when I first started the video, is darker because everything will have been mixed together after 3 days. So I'm going to get a clean container now, and I'll just put everything into the container. You can see that's the container. I'll just put everything into the container just like that, you see. And there you have your black soap. You can just DIY this and give it to your family and friend. We are in the Christmas period. This is really good. Try it out and let me know how you feel about this DIY. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share my video. Let me know how you feel about this black soap. It's a really good one. And catch you up, guys, in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.